Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to update apps in App Store on iPhone. Keeping your iPhone apps updated helps improve security, fix bugs, and unlock new features. The App Store makes it simple to manage updates manually or automatically. To begin, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Find and tap the App Store icon. Then tap your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the available update section. Look through the list of apps waiting for updates. Tap Update beside a specific app to update only that app. And if you want to update everything at once, tap Update All and wait while the app update downloads and installs. Keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi for faster downloading. Once finished, the update button will disappear or change to open. Open the updated app and enjoy the newest version and features. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.